Everybody, David Cook, DeFranco Painting and Wallpaper, and today's thing, are you wearing your swag? Do people know who you are? Yes, I'm driving, so I'm trying not to look at the camera. So somewhere here, our B logo on our shirts, my B logo is everywhere. Our DeFranco logo is everywhere. People know who we are. So when I go into the paint store, I'm not wearing a Sherwin-Williams shirt. I'm not wearing a JC Lick shirt. I'm not wearing a Home Depot shirt. I'm not wearing Nike. I'm not wearing Marvel Universe. I'm not wearing anything from anyone else. I'm not wearing Pepsi or Coca-Cola or a free Monster thing or some free shirt I got someplace else, because that I'm marketing for them now. I'm coming to work. I'm out and about. I am marketing for me. I'm marketing for DeFranco, David Cook, my family, my employees, because that is who is counting on me to do my job. So when we are out and about, our employees, we get free shirts. Not probably once a year for sure from Sherwin-Williams, and we put their logo on the shirt, but it's a small part of the shirt. Otherwise, it's DeFranco Painting and Wallpaper. It's DeFranco Painting and Wallpaper front and back, so people know who is in their home. It's also important to maintain that trust so they know who's coming, because if they don't have company vehicles, there's plenty with their own personal vehicle. Having brand and having that swag, people want to make sure who's coming into their home. At the end of the day, if they're out in the paint store, if they're out grabbing lunch, if they're getting gas, they're marketing for you. They're selling for you without actually doing anything. We've gotten it's May 4th. Last month in April, we got 4 jobs, 6 estimates, solely because of employees wearing the DeFranco sweatshirts and DeFranco t-shirts, DeFranco hats while they were at a gas station. Someone saw us and wanted us to do work for them because they couldn't get a hold of anybody. So it's it's kind of like golf. It's a long game, but so many people are distracted. Facebook, YouTube, driving, it's everywhere. So many distractions. So I think it used to be like 7 times people had to see your information to kind of recognize it. I think now it's high 20s. People have to see your name or logo or whatever it is 20-something times before there's a recognition of who you are and what you do. That's a lot. If you're driving all the time and you have stuff on your vehicle, but more importantly, when you're walking around in a store, making sure you have your stuff on there. If you're at a paint store and you're wearing Nike and you're wearing sweatpants and you're wearing flip-flops and there's potential customers in there, they're not going to call you because they think you're a homeowner. They don't think you're a painter. We walk in as professional painters and we've gotten leads from the paint store just because of what our guys are wearing or because of what I am wearing while I'm in the store. So wear your own brand. Be your own brand. Don't be anybody else's. That's my marketing tip for the day.